I did Amazon, I did eBay, I did Shopify, I had brick and mortar businesses. Follow me right now as my main objective every day is to try to make money from the stock market. I'm on the road to 3 million. This episode, I'm not sure what it is, but this is just an intro. And right now you can see me break down videos on here on my YouTube. Look at the books, check everything out, and be in touch. Message me through here, Twitter. Get up with me. It's going to be a phone number, an email, and we can talk about any subject, stocks, crypto, what we need to in business. Let's go.
Shot up of DELL. I don't know how much of this I have to edit. This is just coming raw, but TikTok told me that they did the creator search insight or whatever it is. They said to show what the market's doing right now. So me, I'm gonna always look at that perspective of, you can say metals, gold, the housing, everything like that, or the main stocks, right? So the S&P, obviously, and DELL, Apple, Google, Tesla. Well, with DELL, right, I mean, they're going crazy right now. $453 a share right now as we speak. It's 12 Monday morning. It hit a high of 467. Oh, I actually see somebody coming. It hit a high of 467. So, I mean, at the end of the day, this stock is up massively this year. I mean, so right now, as it heads up there, obviously you got all these institutions taking profit, and I won't delve too far into that. I might for the Patreon, right? But I have somebody recording for me right now that I'm paying big money per hour because, I mean, they're getting this nice shot. So I'm gonna try to just put 2 videos in this where y'all see not only another creator insight is the trader lifestyle. So I'm coming out here, it's 12. I've been done, literally, I can't make this up, for like 2 hours, right? I was talking on the phone, I was doing stuff at the house, eating a little something. I took most of my profit in the morning. But if we go back to DELL, so DELL is exploding, Apple, the SPY is up. I mean, at an all-time high, it hit what, 760, something like that. Crazy, right? So basically how I look at that is, if you look at the market, if it's good or bad from where the price is at only, that's only showing you, it's showing you a big picture, right? Price matters. Price could be almost everything. But at the same time, it was at all-time highs last year as well, right? So I could have been running this same talk to y'all. But it depends on you. It depends on what you're paying attention to. It depends on what you want to do. Because me, when I heard him say about DELL, Intel, maybe ITC or IBM, I think it was. Well, y'all all know IBM, SanDisk, all those stocks are up crazy right now. He literally said to buy these stocks. Like I said in the beginning of this video, you almost can't make it up, because people would say, oh, that's manipulation. Oh, that's not true. Well, the 5 stocks he told people to buy and said his whole spiel, I don't know, I didn't watch the video, I don't care. But he probably went into the whole deal about countries and war and all this other stuff. But with him, you know, he's gonna also say what he's trying to say, right? He's gonna drop the key words, right? What did he say? Buy DELL, buy IBM. They're all up. So these $1 million funds, let's say $1 billion funds, if you just literally bought the same stuff he said, you'd be up massively right now, right? And most of those stocks are in the overall US markets, right? Somehow, some way, especially these tech stocks, right? Nvidia, Apple, Google, Microsoft. But he even went to a few more niche names, right? Everybody knows IBM computers. Everybody knows DELL computers. These are worldwide companies that have been around forever. Like, I have DELL up right now. It's still, like I said, pretty high. I wouldn't be buying it. This ain't a recommendation to buy or sell. Just a quick video for TikTok, mostly in YouTube. But their float is big, 300 million. Let me see their market cap. So their market cap is almost $300 billion, right? This is nothing like a penny stock. This is nothing like a cryptocurrency. You would need millions of these to equal one of this company, right? This is a real company, right? Everybody knows about DELL. Now, again, I can't give the buy or sell advice, financial advice, period. But me, I'm not even thinking about buying these companies right now. There's gonna be people on YouTube, people on Facebook, ads saying, oh, buy this, look at these highs, blah, 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 blah. Same way they did with gold, do not buy. that I'm not recommending, but that's me, right? Again, I'm not anybody's financial advisor on here. I'm not getting paid to do that, but I'm saying from my perspective and just overall, you never want to be buying at the top, right? You wanted to be buying when he started talking about it, and then when you saw the pattern in the right time to buy the stock, right? And then if it was me again, Friday, I would have been dumped that stock. It went, I think it was Thursday night, matter of fact, it jumped up to like 440 a share. I would have dumped that because I'd have been up 4 times my money. So just to keep it into perspective, if I'd have put 15,000 in there, I'd have been booking 44,000. I'm taking that, right? That's damn near somebody's salary in the US, right? If you'd have had 30 in there, you'd have been booking 88,000, right? Take off your 30, you'd have made what, 50,000, $53,000? So that's just in DELL. So we'll then go real quick. I'll just go to SPY just because they asked about the overall market. So I guess they're asking SPY mostly. Oh man, I didn't even check this today. So right now, SPY's up another all-time high. Let me go to the day. So this morning it hit 759, almost 760. If you go back, you can just go on my channel. It's free, no paywall behind it. Go on my channel, look when I talked about SPY and me and my friend texting when it was at $500. This is about the safest asset you can get into, right? Not from a standpoint of risk management only, but because if you're in this and it goes to nothing, no company you could be in is worth anything. Your 401k isn't worth anything if the overall market's at zero, right? So let's just go back to that, right? But we're in SPY. Look at it like this. You would have took 50K right back up to 76,000. So that's a little less than DELL, right? But DELL's extremely more risky than the overall market. The overall market is what all these people are in. When you see people in the grocery store, they say, oh, not to stay too political, but they say, oh, why do you like Trump? What do these old ladies say? Oh, my retirement's up. Oh, my blah, blah, blah's up. That's what's in their mind, right? So that's what correlates with these people. You understand what I'm saying? So when you look at the overall market, basically these overall Americans are saying, oh, my house is worth more. My retirement's worth more. My jewelry's worth more. My car's worth more. That's what these people are thinking. But the bad part of that thinking is they're also thinking now's the time to buy more, to invest more. And that's how they get slaughtered, because that wolf is sitting right at the bottom of the hill waiting for all them to run right down there, right? The big institutions, the big banks, the big funds, these people on Wall Street, that basically that's their job. You understand what I'm saying? So with all that being said, in my outtake from the overall market, right now I would not be buying, even though it's going so high, right? But most people are buying. So you take that how you want to take it. I'll give you all this free gem, no problem. It's gonna sound simple. Take it to the bank though. Apple, SPY, Google, Microsoft, these stocks, right? And I could put them all up there. You can add DELL and all those other SanDisk and those chip companies, Nvidia. They're not bad. I'm not recommending you to buy, but what I just say, Apple, SPY, Google, Microsoft, these stocks alone are way safer in my opinion, right? And by their charts, not even my opinion, just look at the records. And they're just constantly growing as well. Are they a little slower? Yes. But your money would have tripled in those as well over the past years. And the safety net is there, right? And you would have been collecting that dividend. So that's how I look at it, right? And that's just a free tip. I'm gonna have a full book, a full course on how I buy those stocks specifically, because those are the ones that I add on to. Whether they're going up, going down, I have a specific guide to how I do it. But I'm always looking to buy them when they're down, right? I'm always looking to add to those positions because I believe in those companies longer than just Trump's word or longer than what Elon's investing in right now, right? Those are quicker plays. These I'm speaking of are more long term. So that's my overall take.